In a groundbreaking revelation, Russia claims to have developed its own cancer vaccine, set to launch in early 2025. This revolutionary mRNA vaccine will be distributed to patients free of charge, according to the Russian Ministry of Health. Preclinical trials have shown promising results, suppressing tumor development and potential metastases. President Vladimir Putin announced that Russia is on the brink of creating next-generation cancer vaccines and immunomodulatory drugs. Artificial neural networks could drastically reduce the time needed to create personalized cancer vaccines to less than an hour. Currently, the process of building personalized vaccines is lengthy due to complex mathematical computations. The Ivanikov Institute is leveraging AI to streamline these computations, making rapid vaccine development a reality. Cancer vaccines work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells, targeting specific proteins or antigens. Some vaccines use modified viruses to deliver antigens, prompting a strong immune response to combat cancer. By enhancing the body's natural defenses, these vaccines offer a promising tool in oncology, potentially slowing tumor growth and preventing recurrence.